And this is Jonas Bingeman, who is the organizer and, how shall I put it, well, the factotum of this Princeton Trail walk.
Oh, to call it the spiritual energy.
Okay, great. And how many years have you been doing this now?
Well, we started out. Let me give you a few facts here.
Okay.
We've had 14 walks previously.
Wow.
Over a period of at the rate of 2 per year.
Oh, that's right.
Over a period of 7 years, from May 96 to October 02.
And
so by subtraction of 02 from 09, you can see it's about 7 years since we had one.
Great.
And some people have been saying, you know, we really ought to be doing this again. And the reason it was discontinued because of shortage of volunteers.
Mm-hmm.
Now then, Peterson came out with his flyer saying volunteers wanted, and I got a lot of responses from that. And as a result, it's converted into 41 people who have said they want to walk today, bringing their own lunch.
Ah, great.
And beverages will be provided, and dessert. So that's about it.
Okay, and this is the trail?
That's a picture of the trail.
Okay.
An outline of it. Very good.
Okay, and here are all the people signing in. Okay.
You're going to webpage this?
Sure.
Great.
It'll be a movie. It'll be a video.
Marvelous.
Okay.
No idea.
All right. And there are a lot of people turning out for this trail walk here today.
Because we had just moved back here to that.
Ah, and here are the youngsters coming in.
Jonas Bingeman Trail.
We've had 14 walks in the past at the rate of 2 per year. So over a period of 7 years, from May 1996 to October 02, we had those walks. 7 years of 2 per walk. Now, you subtract 02 from 09, you get 7 years. So it's also, as it happens, 7 years since we did it before. Some people have come to me recently and said, you know, it used to be a lot of fun having the walks and the barbecue following, or having a picnic today, not a barbecue. And we think about starting it again. So here we are, reinstituting the walk. Now I'd like to point out that the reason the walks were discontinued is for a lack and disappearance of volunteer help. So keep that in mind. And anyone who wants to see these continued, I hope that you will get onto the volunteer list into our executive committee, which I'm going to expand. So it's very easy. Give me your name and I'll take care of it. I'll stop again. So I just hope you have a very good time. See you a little later.
Anybody under 80s.
The reason I say that, there's a real reason for it, and that's because Leon has given some thought, and he has some little stories to tell children. So that's the only thing I suggest. And the rest of you just break up into 2 groups.
And this is the light group that Jonas Bingeman is leading. And they're off. Okay. A little more here.
Oh, you're taking,
Yes,
you're taking one right now?
yes, and this is Kay Bingeman, who is the other half of the better half of those organizing and leading and conducting this trail walk here at Princeton Landing. Okay?
Hi. Well, I've been in charge of getting the food ready, and we have volunteers who've brought all sorts of good things, so we're looking forward to having a good lunch here.
Me too. Oh, you see? Okay.
Yeah, here we have Lenny, and now Saul, approaching the registration desk, where they have been checking in all these numerous people who have shown up for the trail walk. It's a job they've done over the years. 7 years ago we had our last trail walk.
Wow.
And here they are back at it again.
Glutton for punishment.
Yep.